How to have sex, 12 things you should never do while having sex and 5 things you should. When you're in bed with your partner, the last thing you want is to dampen the mood. Not everyone is confident in their knowledge of how to make sex truly enjoyable. With that in mind, here are a few common mistakes you should avoid. 1. Not kissing. Surprisingly, quite a few people, including women, refrain from kissing their partner during sex. Why? It could be due to positioning constraints or a desire to maintain rhythm towards climax. However, it's strongly advised to prioritize kissing during the act, as it can greatly enhance the overall experience. 2. Biting before your partner's ready. Although some individuals appreciate a passionate partner, biting any body part before arousal may cause pain, discomfort, and even discourage further intimacy, or worse, scare them off. Ensure your partner is fully aroused before indulging in biting their ear, shoulders, neck, or any other part of their body. 3. Ignoring everything but sexualized parts. Although genitals are undoubtedly important, it's essential to also lavish attention on other parts of your partner's body. Taking time to explore areas like the knees, wrists, back, and stomach can be highly arousing for both men and women. Tenderly caressing these zones can further arouse your partner, potentially leading to reciprocal pleasure. 4. Putting your weight on your partner. Even for women, it's perfectly fine to let go and be passionate with your partner occasionally. However, when you're on top of them, it's important to be mindful not to put too much weight on them. Accidentally choking or impeding their ability to breathe will quickly ruin the mood and any prospects for enjoyable intimacy. 5. Climaxing too soon or too late. This advice is particularly directed at men. It's essential to have good muscle control to ensure ejaculation occurs at the right moment. Ejaculating too early may leave your partner unsatisfied, while delaying too long can lead to discomfort. To prevent this, dedicate ample time to foreplay, beneficial for both men and women. If reaching climax solely through manual stimulation takes a while, focus on ensuring your partner orgasms first, then reciprocate the favor. 6. Not warning your partner before you climax. If you're planning to release, and this includes women, whether during oral sex or intercourse, it's important to communicate with your partner beforehand. Just a simple phrase like, "I'm going to release," will do. Your partner deserves to be informed. 7. Treating sex like porn. While some couples may enjoy indulging in kinky activities, it's advisable to communicate with your partner beforehand. Engaging in such behavior without prior discussion can lead to an unhappy outcome for both parties. 8. Staying quiet. Do you appreciate hearing your partner's pleasure? Extend the same courtesy by vocalizing your enjoyment when you're having a good time. Whether it's a soft moan or expressing, "That feels amazing," simple words of affirmation can not only encourage your partner but also guide them to your pleasure zones. 9. Mechanical act. While you might find it comfortable to engage in repetitive movements like those at the gym, you'll find that many people don't derive pleasure from such actions. Try varying your pace, alternate between fast and slow movements. Embrace creativity, and you'll likely discover enjoyment in the diversity of your experiences. 10. Pretending to have an orgasm. This is a common issue among many women. There's ample representation in movies and media depicting women faking orgasms. While the female orgasm remains a mystery for many, resorting to fakery isn't the solution. Eventually, your partner may become aware of this deception, causing disappointment and dissatisfaction. 11. Jokes about private parts. Not everyone possesses large private parts. Making jokes or laughing about your partner's private anatomy can lead to discomfort and disrupt the mood. It's best to avoid making negative remarks about private parts during intimate moments. 12. Comparing a lover with an ex. Nothing dampens the mood more than comparing your current partner to an ex-lover during sex. Regardless of any past experiences, bringing up previous sexual encounters is detrimental to the moment and won't benefit either party. 5 things you should do while having sex. Kissing is the key. If you're among those who don't embrace kissing during sex, you're overlooking one of life's simple yet profound pleasures. While stimulation and physical contact are crucial aspects of intimacy, kissing enhances the erotic satisfaction of the entire experience. Foreplay is must. Foreplay precedes the main act of sex, eliciting both psychological and physical responses that heighten arousal and intensify sexual desires. If you feel uncertain about your approach, turn to the pleasures of foreplay. Locate your best sex positions. Not everyone finds pleasure in the same sexual positions. Each position offers varying levels of orgasmic satisfaction to individuals. It's essential to find a compatible and comfortable position for both you and your partner to ensure that your sexual experience remains exciting and enjoyable, avoiding dullness and discomfort. Express your pleasure. Communication is vital in any sexual activity, and expressing pleasure through natural sounds like moans is essential. You can also communicate what feels good and when, helping your partner understand your preferences and enhancing mutual enjoyment. Do not forget to experiment. Engaging in the same sexual routine can lead to boredom and monotony in your relationship. To spice things up, try experimenting with different positions or activities. Injecting a bit of surprise into your sex life can lead to unexpectedly satisfying experiences. Give it a try, you might discover it to be your best sex yet. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.